I don't have like a huge skincare routine. I usually rotate between these things. So this is the Kiehl's Truly Targeted Blemish Clearing Solution. It's like it has 2% salicylic acid, 4% niacinamide, and LaCroix root. This was very helpful for my acne. Actually, I was very shocked. I used it for some time, and I also used the L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Bright Dark Spot Brightening Serum, which was also pretty helpful. And this moisturizer, I think you guys have been seeing this moisturizer for quite some time. It's the oil-free daily face moisturizer from Dermaco, and it's for non-greasy and hydrated skin. Amazing. So this has been my night routine for quite some time now. Coming to the day routine, again, you guys have seen this like 1,000 times if you've seen my previous vlogs. It is the Garnier Skin Naturals Bright Complete 30x Vitamin C Booster Serum. Then I go in with the Dot & Key Watermelon Cooling Sunscreen with SPF 50 plus and hyaluronic acid. You will see a lot of creators recommending this one because it does not give like extreme white cast. It does not give white cast at all, and I really love that about this sunscreen. It's gonna expire next year. I really need to buy a new one. The last step is going in with the moisturizer because it's needed. I am so dumb. Oh my god. I haven't showered yet. Gory. Now I'll take a shower like after directly coming back from the gym because it makes no sense showering directly after my skincare. I don't know how I am this smart. Like, how did I end up being this smart? Also, I don't know, that's just this thing about slow mornings that make me feel so motivated and so happy and so satisfied by the time I actually have to start my day, because it just makes you feel happy, if that makes sense. I am not a 6 a.m. girly for sure, but I do try to wake up as early as possible. So now recently me and my friends, like a couple of us, have decided to sleep early and wake up early, and it has been very helpful. So no matter what time we sleep, we make sure that we wake up by 9 or 9:30 max, so that at least it is way better than waking up at 1 p.m. and basically skipping your breakfast and skipping your water intake, your walking steps, and like there's so much that you're missing if you don't wake up early. And I know for a fact that I cannot wake up at 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. but I know that I can wake up at 9:30 a.m. So I'm trying my best to do that. Just utna bhi ho jaye to bahut badi baat hai. Okay, today I am in the mood for coffee, so we're gonna go and have coffee. Forgot to welcome you guys to the first episode of my brand new series, The Mumbai Diaries. I have been wanting to start a series on YouTube for quite a while now. Like, I've been planning, I've been plotting, क्या करूँ, कैसे करूँ, कब करूँ, कहाँ करूँ. बहुत सारे questions थे मेरे दिमाग में, and I finally came up with Mumbai Diaries. So, if you know me, you know for a fact that I love coffee. I love to go out. I love trying new places. I love exploring anything related to coffee and going out, and I am in. Like new cafes, new restaurants, new places to visit. You know, sometimes just sitting at Marine Drive and just like chilling, There is so much to do in Mumbai, and I have decided that in this series I am gonna try to cover as much of the Mumbai essence that I possibly can for everyone who does not stay in Mumbai and wants to know what Mumbai is like, or places to visit in Mumbai, or actually anything related to the vibe of Mumbai. This series is gonna be your new go-to, because trust me, I have so much planned, and I will for sure let you know कि मैं कितनी regularly ये post करूँगी series, but it's gonna be fun. This coffee is amazing. Also, this cup that I was showing you earlier, like it has my name. I did not get this cup printed, like engraved with my name. I had gone to this one event, which was Fossil's event. I think they are launching a new collection with Nick Jonas. Us collection ke liye, they had invited like a lot of creators, and this was one of the return gifts. Also, I have this lingering question. Do you ever feel like you're not productive, or do you feel guilty about not like doing a lot? For example, like my slow morning, like would you feel guilty if you had such a morning? Because a lot of people say they do, and a lot of people say that they don't. So what are your opinions? Let me know in the comments. Hi guys, change in plans. I am going to Inorbit like right now because mom wants to go shopping and she's in a very bad mood. She's irritated at everything and I just can't see that. Since my skin has cleared up so much, I have just been using this Kiro ka lip oil. It's that lip and cheek oil from Kiro, and it's available on Tira. I got it from Tira. Yeah, and I love the fact that it gives a very natural blush. I'll show you. एक साइड पे ज़्यादा हो गया, दूसरे पे कम हो गया. I don't know if you can see it. ज़्यादा है यहाँ, थोड़ा कम है. I was supposed to go to gym at 1:30, but I don't think that will be possible. अगर मैं भाग के आ गई तो शायद आज gym जा पाऊँगी, शायद. वरना gym cancel and I'll have to go for my event because priorities, and then कल gym है नहीं. I have also been using this She Glam ka So Lippy lip liner. It's damn good, huh? I love the shade. If you have a skin tone like mine, it's like I'm not exactly very fair, but I'm a good amount of fair, if that makes sense. I really don't want to carry a bag, so I'm just gonna carry everything in my pocket, and I think we're good to go. Okay, let's go people. This is how I look. ये वाले इसका पीछे का गुम गया है, and I have no clue वो कहाँ गिरा है, क्योंकि मुझे अब दिख भी नहीं रहा है, and I'm very it's like वो उसका पीछे का बहुत अच्छे से होल्ड करता है, and शायद मैंने पूरी तरह ठीक से बंद नहीं किया उसे. That's why it just sort of I'm gonna wear my Nike के जूते. Oh, also, guys, I ordered a pair of Sambas and they're the cherry red ones. I am so excited. The thing is, I was also supposed to order my Air Force ones because मेरे वाले बहुत पुराने हो गए हैं, बहुत खराब हो गए. And I love Air Force ones because they're the basic वाले Air Force that you can wear with literally everything and anything. I am loving these sunglasses. So cute. How is badminton? Hi guys, we are going to the mall. For an event in the next 15 max 20 minutes. I'm supposed to leave in 10, but मैं extend कर रही हूँ अभी थोड़ा. And we need to start makeup as soon as possible, which is right now. Anyways, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Concealer. This is in the shade 350C, and it is sadly not a perfect shade match for me, but I figured out later that I am a neutral and not a cold in undertones. So next time I go for picking out anything, I am going to be picking out neutrals and not colds basically. And 350C means cold. When it blends in, it's fine, but like first look pe it looks like a not a shade match. वैसे लग रहा है. See, it conceals are pretty good. Conceal तो ढंग का करता है, but shade match का I'm not actually sure. पहली बार मैं किसी shade match पे इतनी confused हो रही हूँ. Next, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour tinted serum. It is in the shade 16YN00. I don't know if that's the shade, but वही लिखा है इस पे अभी. I think that's the shade. So when I first blend it, it looks very weird. Wait, you'll see. 2 minutes later, literally 2 minutes later, इतने अच्छे से ये blend in होता है ना, पता ही नहीं चलता है कि कुछ लगाया. I have actually worn this and someone's questioned me if my skin is ऐसा या I'm wearing something. मतलब समझ ही नहीं आएगा कि कुछ लगाया है. इसमें देखिएगा क्या? हाँ, see, you see how weird it looks? You can see how well it's blended in. मतलब एक बार वो अंदर चला गया, then it's like fully immersed into my skin and then it'll look amazing. Flawless. I really need a setting powder very desperately, but I am too lazy to go and purchase it. I have also spent my money, a lot of it, on a lot of stuff that I don't need as much, but I just purchased because why the hell not? मैं मेरा blush भी तोड़ चुकी हूँ by the way. So whenever I go in with the blush, I go upwards. I usually go in with this shade, the lightest one, and उससे थोड़ा एक shade dark, like just to mix it well. And it gives a perfect base to me for my blush at least. Also, spoiler alert, I have blush blindness, extreme blush blindness. I have this thing, now that my skin is way better. I think if you've seen मेरा पहले का skin, it was bad. And I had this very bad habit since like a long time, since I started makeup basically, that I will always apply blush no matter what. If I'm not even doing makeup, I'm gonna apply blush. So I have that in me, sort of just engraved there. Okay, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Okay, the lighting here is terrible. So I go upwards with it. It might seem very weird, but it helps give that blended and well finished wala look. So every time I apply blush on my nose, I don't know why specifically on my nose, I remember this one incident, which is from my 16th या 17th birthday, जिसका Get Ready With Me मैंने अलग से शूट किया था YouTube के लिए. उस birthday पे it was the first time I even did makeup properly, like with, you know, उस time पे skin was very clear, okay? तो मैं थोड़ा भी makeup करके आती थी, it would look amazing on me. Now, इसमें I did मतलब पूरा पता नहीं, I think I used concealer and compact and foundation. The first time I'm doing a full makeup, I don't even remember what I did. That was the first time I did my makeup बहुत अच्छे से, okay? And everyone complimented me on it, and that was the day I realized that I can do makeup if I just learn it correctly. And that's where my obsession with makeup started. So I have used Fay Beauty's lip liner in the shade Bloodline. Very dark, really like it. And I have used Dior's lip gloss, amazing, also amazing. Also, I am wearing rose gold jewelry. I'll show you the look in the end because कोई मतलब नहीं अभी देख के. I literally have to wear rose gold because of these buttons on the vest. I don't know अगर ये अच्छा लगेगा, but let's see. I don't know. Does it look good? Do we like it? I think I haven't worn hoops in so long now that I don't really know if it looks good or not. What if I remove the necklace? I feel like if I remove the necklace, it looks way better because it's coming ऐसा उठ के. I am using ELF का Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray. Amazing. This is the outfit. It is really cute. And I just need to figure out my heels. I'm thinking of the maroon ones, but bag decided nahi hai. I was thinking of the black bag. Okay, you know what? Let me figure this out and just show you the entire look once I'm done. guys, it looks so weird on camera. Oh my god. I don't know अगर क्या ज़्यादा है, but I swear इतना real life में I don't look this bad. Don't worry. But I got back home a while ago, and honestly I'm very tired. Like I have no clue कि क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं, and I don't know. I'm very drained honestly. मैं कुछ भी बोल रही हूँ at this point मैं बस ramble कर रही हूँ, and I think मेरे को हिंदी पे switch कर देना चाहिए because इंग्लिश तो मेरे को आनी बंद हो गई है. मैं बहुत थकी हुई हूँ एंड मेरे को बस चेंज करके एक बार सोना है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. एंड अगर आपने नोटिस किया है तो मैं बहुत ट्राई कर रही हूँ कंसिस्टेंट रहने का. आई रियली होप कि आप लोग ये एफर्ट्स देख पाओ एंड एटलीस्ट अप्रिशिएट कर पाओ. इफ़ नॉट अ लॉट, प्लीज़ जस्ट लीव अ लाइक एंड अ कमेंट. इट मीन्स द वर्ल्ड टू मी व्हेन यू गाइज कमेंट, स्पेशली जब आप लोग कोई स्पेसिफिक पार्ट ऑफ द वीडियो के बारे में रिप्लाई करते हो, जैसे आपने कुछ देखा या मैंने कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछा या आपको अपना कोई ओपिनियन देना है ऑन एनीथिंग दैट आई सेड. आई लव इट बिकॉज आई फील लाइक यू गाइज आर एक्चुअली वॉचिंग वो माई वीडियोज़ एंड इट गिव्स मी अ लॉट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस एंड अ लॉट ऑफ peace, and I feel very grateful knowing ki somebody out there is actually enjoying this that I'm posting. Yeah, that's about it. But I will see you guys in my next vlog. This is the end of chapter 1, episode 1 of Mumbai Diaries. Stay tuned. Mumbai Diaries is gonna get way better and you are gonna enjoy so freaking much. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share, press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. And your girl is back. Bye.